Indiana is the perfect spot for this event because it's really the convergence of technology and ag right in the heartland of America. You know, when you think about seed companies, farmers, growers, it's a perfect spot to bring technology, you know, right to where it's going to be used the most.
The fact that we are a part, along with the Indiana Economic Development Corporation, in bringing this AgTech Summit with Forbes as a global brand and a global giant in the national media place or platform is a really important example of how we're really trying to shine the spotlight on Indiana agriculture and the agbiosciences.
What excites me the most about the convergence of ag and technology is that I think we're just getting started. You know, we've got great technologies maturing, IoT, augmented reality, cloud, blockchain, you name it. And at the same time, we've got this incredible challenge to feed more people, be sustainable, and be more efficient on farms so we increase farm profitability. So the convergence of all that is fantastic. And I'm most excited because I think we're just getting started.
I would say that the creation, the launch, and now so many important actions from AgriNovus Indiana itself in really rallying global innovators, entrepreneurs, universities, state government, and bringing that entire ecosystem of technology providers and researchers and really creative minds and startup business builders together. I really think those are the secrets to this area of building out an ecosystem and supporting technology that's putting Indiana on the map. And those things position Indiana so unbelievably well for long-term success.